Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahmoud Akhtar Ibhab and I am a student in the Department of Nutrition and Food Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am passionate about nutrition, food science and continuous learning. Throughout my academic journey, I knowledge about nutrition, food safety and engineering concepts. And I always try to improve new things learning about my academic journeys and co-curriculum activities. My academic journey is fully learning, dedication and personal growth. I was completed my secondary school certificate from Jaidapur Gov Girls High School with a background of science and I achieved GPA 4.73. Later, I was completed my higher secondary school certificate from Jaidapur Gov Mohila College in the background also science and I achieved another GPA 5. After my academic journey, I actively involved voluntary work such as civil and social working, Daffodil Family Day, Job Utsav and semester exchange program. Those programs helps me teamwork, my communication skill development and my management skill. To complete my STM internship radius at Daffodil International University, gaining the particular knowledge, internship preparation, communication skill and career opportunity, food and beverage company. I attended Agrotechnology Bangladesh, ICTC and Bosundara. Here I involved in agriculture and food technology. Here the involves my exposed professional skill and developing my knowledge. With my academic studies, I have also developed different civil, computer and technological skills. I skilled in MS Word, PowerPoint, Canva and basic data analysis. I am also interested about learning technology and improving my communication skills and developing my professional and academic skills. I am a good listener and hardworking person and I enjoy learning new things and work with others and collaborating. My future goal is to build up a successful career in nutrition and food engineering by applying my academic knowledge and practical skills. I aspire to pursue a master's degree abroad to gain advanced technology and international exposure. After completing my higher education, I am a contributed nutrition and food engineering sector, thought research and helping improving public health sector and that impact our positive on society. I strongly believe that continuous learning discipline are the key to success. Before concluding, I would to like explore my sincere gathering to Daffodil International University providing students high configuration level. This is variable our learning experience and improving productivity for preparation our global challenge and in the modern technology. Thank you so much for watching my video resume.